Scans show the Tyranid number. Retaking those sectors is a lost cause. Bombardment from orbit risks collateral damage, so we need a more targeted approach. Commandeer a Nova Cannon implosive warhead from the Navy supplies in the Astra Militarum depot and deliver the payload by rail. We shall collapse the superstructure from below.
Yes, Lieutenant. We shall burn and bury all vermin.
Effective range just dropped sharply, brothers.
The battle disturbs Avarax's arid landscape. Dust squalls can arise with little warning. If conditions obscure the path, look for the flashing guideposts.
Xenos cover, sir. Changing magazine. The dust storm has settled.
Advance while it is clear.
Active camouflage charge. Unseen, I stalk my targets. Rearming.
I have walked worlds unnumbered, and have not yet found one I could not conquer. No storm will delay our vengeance.
Get eyes on this spot. They shall not see. Fester and rot, Xenos abomination. Readying next volley. Line cloak ready. Interesting. Weapon schematics.
Keep a tight formation. We do not want to get separated.
Feels downright roomy after all that smothering dust. The Emperor shield to protect. Inserting fresh magazine. Frag grenade. I am a phantom of death. Tossing frag grenade. Active camouflage charge. Tyranids have no mind for tactics.
Lieutenant Titus, we have secured the Militarum depot.
Activate the Quartermaster's console and wait for Machine Spirit. Instructed to load the implosive warhead onto the train and assist it when necessary.
Synaptic servant slaughtered. Active camouflage charge. Line engaged. Rearming.
Transfer Nova Cannon explosive warhead to the supply.
Acknowledged. Commencing transfer protocols. Attention. Savages not found. Operators required to complete the transport process.
Amelio line cloak activated. Amelio line cloak ready. Frag grenade out. Reloading. Readying next volley. They shall not see. Stealth ready.
Authorization to dispatch payload.
Authorization granted, machine spirit.
Good. Escort the payload to the train. Brothers, the blueprints say we can neutralize a nearby lift.
Brothers. Our orders are clear. Advance. Inserting fresh magazine. War gear located. I have eyes on a firewall. The Emperor sees they fail in their quest for aid.
Medical crash. On me.
Understood and
Our will remains untarnished, unblemished, unbroken.
alien bioform marked. Active camouflage charge. Their numbers are no match for our training.
Survey the terrain while you can.
I wonder what implosion looks like from an aerial viewpoint. Changing magazine.
This should get the rest of you across. Claim it for the Emperor. This is not a test of metal, but of patience.
the window. Artistry is accuracy under pressure.
And now a train terminal transcends to become the barrel of a bolter.
I can lance a ripper in the eye at 8.
Obstruction detected. Removal is required to commence.
It shall be done.
No, the rubble is eliminated.
Reloading. Take all you can carry. Courage and honor, brothers. Camilio line engaged. Camilio line cloak ready. We live. Medical stims found.
Departmental Ordnance Transfer 3639 purging complete. Manifest updated.
Stealth ready. Tyranids have no vibrant tactics.
And flame shall be smite.
We cannot backtrack. Scipius at your command.
The warhead is ready to go.
Good. Deploy it.
Active camouflage charged. Tyranid high beast sighted. Our adversaries are keen to lose it. We have isolated our foe from its allies.
Initiating charging cycle. Departmental unitorum penalties will be assessed.
We will adapt. We always do. Talassa, I have multiple swarms moving to your location. You have their attention. Deal with them swiftly. We will not get another shot at this. Funnel the vermin into the causeway and let the battle be into.
Automated route changes may be made by a dispatcher at the track's control tower.
Purge the Xenos scum from the motive engine, lest they destroy it!
Dispatching engine. Ensure all service Active power charged to 25%. Engine charged to 50%. Dispatching engine. Ensure all servitors are away from the rails. Sig fault in charging system detected. Engine seer requested to perform rites of restoration.
Link your armor to the Mechanicus device. You will need to keep close proximity to the charging station until the reset is complete.
Fault in charging system detected. Engine seer requested to perform rites of restoration. All clear. Dispatchers may resume normal operations.
Carry a big gun. Stims located.
Charging system detected. Engine seer requested to perform rites of restoration.
Apply additional pressure. Synaptic servant slaughtered. Chameleoline cloak ready.
Fault corrected. Power connection restored through the grace of the Omniscient. Engine charged to 75%. Dispatcher. The engine is charged and prepared for departure.
Deploy immediately.
On it.
Emperor, guide this weapon into the heart of our foe.